The vehicle's media system's controls can be accessed by touching media on the home screen or by selecting the media icon. This directs you to the last used media source. Next, touch Source. This takes you to the Select Source screen. From this screen, you can access all media sources available. You can operate all of the media sources via the touchscreen, the steering wheel controls, or the voice system. Switch the system on and off, and adjust the volume for any source, using the media control below the touchscreen. Touch the settings icon and then select the audio settings option to adjust the bass, treble, and subwoofer levels. To listen to the radio, touch the radio option. To change the radio band, touch Band. You can search for stations via the Find option. 3 options are displayed: Station List, Frequency Input and Genre. Frequency Input displays the keypad. Both Station List and Genre display a list of stations to choose from. Seek up and down the stations using the arrows, or swipe the screen in the relevant direction. When a station is selected, the station's information is displayed on the screen. Touch the Favorites icon to save the station to your favorites list. Touch Source to return to the Select Source screen. To watch a DVD, insert a disc into the disc slot below the touchscreen and select DVD from the Select Source screen. Touch the image to view the menu options. Select DVD menu to view the DVD menu controls. If required, select the position icon to change the menu's position. Use the arrows to navigate to your selection and select OK to confirm your selection. Touch Resume to resume DVD playback. Touch to view the menu options. Select Options to zoom in or out of the view and to select subtitles. Touch the image again to view the controls for pausing, playing the disc, and for forwarding and rewinding play. Alternatively, to move through the disc, touch or drag the progress bar to the required position, or swipe the screen to move to the next or previous chapter or track. Select Source to return to the Select Source screen. To watch the television, touch Television. Search for TV stations via the Find option. Search the channel list for available stations. Touch the program you wish to view. Touch the Favorites icon to save the channel to your favorites list. Touch Source to return to the Select Source screen. Portable media devices need to be connected via the portable media sockets. These are located in the center console cubby box. Once connected, touch the portable media on the Select Source screen. Media from the device is heard through the vehicle speakers, and information about the currently playing media is displayed on the screen. Play can be controlled from the touchscreen. Touch the right arrow or swipe the screen to the left to skip to the next track. Touch and hold to fast forward. Touch the left arrow or swipe the screen to the right to skip back to the previous track. Touch and hold to rewind play. Alternatively, touch or drag the progress bar to the desired position. To search the device, select Find. Select the relevant icon, artist, album, song, etc. to view available options. Touch the More icon to display a list of further available options. To import media from the device to the vehicle's internal storage, touch the Settings icon, followed by the Media Player Settings option. Next, select Manage Car Memory or Import to Car Memory. This will allow media to be imported and stored for playback through the media library. To return to the media screen, touch the Return icon. Select Source to return to the media's Select Source menu. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist you.